right when I jump on, you guys get ready to let go because the mattress is going to slide out.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, I'm going to swing my right
Swing
leg
it, baby.
right here.
Yeah, do it.
Okay. Yeah, this is not a good
Come on, we can do this.
Okay, 1,
2,
2,
3. Okay. Let me see you though. Let me see. I can't see you. Oh, there you are.
Oh, here we go!
Holy smoke! I think my back snapped like 5 different times. Oh my gosh, dude. That was insane, dude. Yeah. Yeah, I got a free back adjustment. I heard it go. Yeah. Yeah.
You got a power drill tied to a rope that spins, and attach the rope to the back of this kid's sled. So the kid would go down the hill, and then he'd just go, and it would just
Wow.
pull him back up the hill.
No way. All right. Yeah. Ingenuitive.
This is old Daniel's idea?
Yes, it is. Is the Dan Man Machineria.
I can't see. Where'd you guys go?
Yeah, we're up here in San Diego, California. About 30 minutes from my house. Beautiful, beautiful. It's beautiful.
That's how it come out.
Yeah, so do you guys feel like I drug you up here?
Yeah.
Or did you wanted to, right?
Yeah.
You wanted to?
I
Okay.
did not consent to this. That's like a black one, right?
That's right. 4 men
We're looking for Narnia.
out on an adventure
For Narnia.
for Narnia
And for Aslan.
and for Aslan. Oh, yeah. Love it. Oh, man, I miss Romania and Moldova. I miss it. Oh, dude, that is a sweet picture right there. I love that picture. Yeah.